Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile without a VPN on Wi-Fi. First, let's ensure your network is ready. A strong, stable Wi-Fi signal is crucial for smooth gameplay, minimizing lag and disconnections. Always check that your PUBG Mobile app is updated to its newest version. Also, close any background apps consuming bandwidth or device resources. These simple steps can significantly improve your gaming experience. Next, let's optimize your Wi-Fi setup. Position your router centrally and away from walls or other electronics to maximize signal strength. If available, connect to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. It offers faster speeds and less interference than the 2.4 GHz band. Also, reduce other network usage during your game sessions to dedicate more bandwidth to PUBG Mobile. Now, let's fine-tune your device and in-game settings. Lowering your in-game graphics to a balanced or smooth preset can drastically improve frame rates and reduce lag. Regularly clearing your device's cache helps free up valuable system memory. Additionally, ensure your device has at least 2 to 3 GB of free storage for the game and system to run efficiently. Finally, for advanced troubleshooting, consider changing your device's DNS settings to a public server, such as Google DNS, which can sometimes improve connection stability. A simple restart of both your Wi-Fi router and your mobile device can resolve many connectivity issues. Always choose the game server geographically closest to you to achieve the lowest possible ping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.